Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your billing profile on QuickBooks. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who, let's say that you're trying to send an invoice and it's letting you know that you need to go ahead and set up your billing profile. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then click on the gear icon on the top right, click on Account and Settings. Then on the left-hand side, click on Payments. So where it says Payments, we have a lot of blur information here, but yours is going to look different from mine, but you need to click on the button that allows you to go ahead and set up your billing profile. But because I've already set mine up, this is what mine looks like. But I hope this helps you out. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.